Aloha guys, and Vanaka for joining me tonight for dinner. It is exciting tonight. We have a Fijian Lovo, L-O-V-O. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I think I am. So I was actually just going to walk you through what is available in the buffet tonight. A Lovo is a traditional family celebration feast. Most of it's often cooked underground. However, obviously in this atmosphere at the Outrigger, it's a little bit different. Still have those elements of earthiness and real Fijian life, real Fijian style, with a bit of a resort twist. So it looks divine. I cannot wait to eat it. So I just wanted to quickly walk you through the salads, because believe it or not, they look really, really yummy. So we've got a tuna and bean with a coconut salad. I think there's sun-dried tomatoes in there too from memory. This one is a prawn and papaya salad. Looks so good with some fresh parsley in there. This one's a taro salad, so similar to a potato salad. It says it's zangy, so I'll let you know what that's like later. I'm assuming a little bit of a sort of lime kind of zest, mayonnaise-y type dressing on that one. I cannot remember for the life of me what that one
like
is.
A coconut.
But it's a coconut something.
Kokoda.
Oh, it was a Fijian. No, it wasn't a Kokoda. It was a Fijian leaf salady thing. It's obviously got some capsicum and coconut milk and
coconut milk.
heavily creamed. And this one was just a fruit infused with avocado and zesty chili sauce. So those are our salads, and my goodness, I think I could fill up on the salads. But let me take you over to the hot.
Watch out for the kava man down here. We have to have some kava for later on. Hola.
So again, kava is a traditional drink of Fiji. Kava ceremonies are pretty much everywhere, especially here in the resort. They do it, I think it's daily near the pool. So I will start you off here. Now their bread is so nice. It is, they home make it, and it is really sweet. It's almost like cake bread, but it's just, because it's been made from home, it's not like a packet bread. It's just yum, yum, yum. So steamed rice and sweet potato are our carbs tonight.
Kumara. It's like kumara, but kumara.
It is. And it looks super yummy with a few chopped chives in there. Got a vegetable curry. Obviously with the Indian influence, curry is a massive flavour here in Fiji. So that looks really yummy. Looks like there's possibly eggplant as the main sauce on that. Now this one is cassava.
That looks yummy.
And it looks so nice with
tuna.
With tuna and spinach. Smells divine. This one is all pumps.
Every time you open up, it smells lovely.
I know. This one I'm going to have to try and pronounce. It's palasumi.
Taro spinach baked with coconut milk.
Yeah. So
lots of vegetable.
Because traditionally for dinner they do have stews or curries or this kind of a meal with rice. Lovo chicken, which means that it's been cooked underground. So traditional Lovo chicken with, again, a few fresh chopped herbs in there. Beef kovu. Oh,
that looks very coconutty.
Smell-o-vision. Wish I had that here. And this is seafood in lolo. So it's a sort of like a chunky seafood soup in a pumpkin there. And
traditional served in the
traditional. Now we've got some really yummy steamed bamboo prawns. So if you have a look over here, guys, this is actually the bamboo that they steam the prawns in. Obviously with tinfoil on top to keep the steam in there and keep them nice and warm and cooked. And then they serve that up here with the onion and a little bit of tomato and some herbs of some sort. And here we have Ricky, who is going to tell us, really excited about these. What did you say, Ricky? These are sweet breads?
Breadfruits.
Breadfruits.
Yes.
And what did you say they were made out of?
The breadfruits?
Yeah.
It's a fruit from the plant.
A fruit from like a tree, or from a tree. And you just deep fry it in a batter?
Yes.
And what's this? Just like an avocado kind of
This is a chutney.
And I'm assuming like a dipping chutney.
Hey, Carla. Wish you were here, mate.
And we have
an
entire pig. Now I wish I had a flower like that shoved behind my ear, but I don't. And a beautiful pig. The smell is divine. And look, just watch Ricky cut that piece off there, because you can see how crunchy that skin is on the outside and how beautifully moist that flesh is on the inside. Yum.
So how long has this been cooking for, Ricky?
All day.
All day.
On the spit.
On a spit.
Yeah.
So round and round and round. And do you baste it with anything?
Traditionally.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what's it got over the top? What do we based it with? Anything special?
Just the polish.
Yeah?
A polish?
Polish it off.
Just looks so yum. And of course I've got apple sauce and gravy.
And gravy. We're going to come back and try that in a minute.
We shall.
Sure.
Banaka, Ricky.
Naka.
Well done.
Now we are going to go up to the what was it called? Kokoda station. We're in a Lovo. We're going to Kokoda, which is a marinated fish.
It is. Now it looks like Kokoda, but like
In Fiji.
Nandi is spelled Nadi because you've got an N before a D. So
Yeah.
this is Kokoda.
Kokoda.
Not Kokoda.
So yeah, similar to the
live
track,
Kokoda
but
station.
not quite. So here we go, live Kokoda station. Bula,
Hula.
bula. And this kind gentleman is going to make
I'm gonna have a look at.
us.
Oh, sorry, getting
where do you want to go?
So you tell us what we're doing here, my friend.
This is the live station in Kokoda. You get to choose whatever you want to have with your Kokoda.
Nice.
Buy my fish. Then you pick whatever
Pick whatever you want.
you want to have. And it goes with coconut cream, little bit of lemon, little bit of salt, pepper.
It's fresh.
So mahi mahi.
Mahi mahi. And we've got green capsicum, red capsicum, cucumber, onion, lime, chili, and tomato with some fresh coriander
Coriander.
and some chives. So, guys, you can kind of pick what you want.
Then make one up.
Yeah. What
Let's
would
do
you
it.
like?
You decide.
Oh, I'll decide. Can I please have everything but the onion and the chili?
And I'll come
Banaka.
back and get one with chili.
You're going to get it with chili. Just remember, guys, my chili thresholds are not great. Head and yum. So the mahi mahi is marinated in lemon juice for at least 12 hours. Overnight is traditional. And lemon juice, obviously you can taste that lemon juice coming through with the fish. So essentially it is raw fish, but it's actually cooked in the acid. Oh, I'm getting excited. Obviously a bit of salt and pepper just to enhance that flavour. And the coconut cream just gives it that beautiful richness. Vanaka.
Try one, sir?
I'll come back, my friend.
Come back. Right. So I'm going to try this. Hang on, I want to get a bit of everything. Really, really good. So tasty, guys. So anyway, I'm going to go and eat my dinner. Thank you so much for joining us for dinner. And yeah, Vanaka and Bula. Good life. See you later.